Okay, I see some serious meatballing going on with some of these problems. What you need to do is you need to take what's originally there, which is u plus x times y, and every time you see a variable, you need to put parentheses and then substitute the value in. So this is blank plus blank times blank, okay? And that's like u plus x times y. We're going to put in the values for those variables right now. U is 18. X is 10, Y is 8. If you think you can do this in your head, maybe you can, but you shouldn't because doing it in your head means, oh, I will keep on not practicing the proper format of this until it's way too hard for me to learn it all at once. And that's not the way to go. You got to trust me on this. Okay, so now order of operations. What do we do next? Well, this doesn't get added yet because we have to do the multiplication of 10 times 8, which is 80. And then we get 18 plus 80 is 98. That is the answer for that one. Okay. Now, we're going to again evaluate this for certain variables. So we're going to say parentheses over parentheses plus parentheses times parentheses squared and sub in all those numbers. So what is u? U is 20. What is z? Z is 10. What is x? X is 4. And what is y? Y is 7. So when we simplify, we have to do the exponent part first. So we say this continues to be 20 divided by 10 plus 4 times 49. And now, coming from the left, remember, now that we're at the multiplication division step, the first thing we get to is division, so that's what you got to do first. Okay, so you do 20 divided by 2 is, 20 divided by 10 is 2 plus 4 times 49. Now we say 2 plus 4 times 49 is 196. I can show you how I did that in my head real quick. What I did here is, instead of 4 times 49, I thought of it as 4 times 50 minus 1, because that's the same as 49. And then I distributed 4 times 50, 200. Okay, minus 4 times 1, minus 4. And then I was just 4 less than 200, or 196. Pretty easy, right? And then that adds to 198. And that's the answer. Okay, I'm sorry I couldn't continue moving down the page there. I ran out of space. Okay, now evaluate A times B and then all of that squared. So again, you're going to say, okay, wherever there's a variable, I put parentheses. And since there was already parentheses, the outside parentheses become brackets. Like that. Okay, then we sub in those numbers. A is 4, B is 3, and we have to do what's inside there first. So 4 times 3, we get 12. We're going to square that. 12 squared, 144. Done.